Hey folks, thanks for stopping back out at my shop. Dave Ashenbrenner, Legendary Motorcycles. Here's a neat little project we just almost finished. This is a Norton Fastback. This is a very early Commando gas tank, and they had a tail piece that went on it, and the seat has to match up to the back of it, and the seat actually wraps around into these little, I'm going to call these chevrons too. They're a little bit of an indent here, a little knee dent, sort of, but they fare into the side of the seat, so these have to be pretty accurate. And this one has, the second year, has the badge indents in it, and wanted to show you what we did for that. It's kind of a neat little thing I learned this years ago. We have the indent for the gas cap bung, filler neck bung here, so the filler neck screws into it, and the tunnel is already installed. We're waiting for our welder for this one. We're just going to go ahead and clean this up and hit it with the wire wheel, and we'll have a nice weld around here, and our work's not over with. After that, we have a lot of cutouts in the bottom of it that have to be cut out for the splays in the frame. The actual frame members come back up to about here on it, and then there's indents here where it fastens to the front tank mount to here, and then in the rear there's two little buttons that go on here, and it's actually fastened on with a big O-ring that comes down around, loops around the bottom of the frame, and then loops against this, and I've got a template around here somewhere for that, right here. This is part of the template making that we do for these. And this will go here, and these are those button locations on here. So to make these tanks absolutely accurate for the bike that it's fitting on, you have to pay attention to some of these little details like this. So that's the template for that. That I have saved in my CAD program. And that pretty much sums it up. If I ran through the whole operation of this probably took me the longest of many tanks that I've done lately, because I built this one or fabricated this one from pictures and measurements that the customer sent me, and we scaled everything in the CAD program, in the 3D CAD program for it. And I happen to have a set of tools that I built one of these, probably 7 years ago, and I just happened to have the fiberglass tools for it. But there was a lot left to the imagination before I could actually build this thing. So that kind of sums that up. We're going to give you a little update on this when we get a little closer to done on it, but we're real proud of this one. So anyway, short one today. Dave Ashenbrenner, thanks for stopping by. Legendary Motorcycles. See you next time.